If you're someone looking to get a headset on a budget, the Roccat Elo X Stereo are one of the best options on the market currently, especially if you like a big set of cans. The X Stereos are primarily made for PC gamers, but also offer cross-platform support, so if you're on another system, you can use them as well. You can also use them for listening to music, watching movies, or even working, not just playing games. The headset offers an experience for all of those applications. The headset connects via auxiliary cable, so all you have to do is plug this into your PC, and then you're ready to go. If you want to use the microphone function, it comes with a splitter cable so that you can plug in the headset into this, like so, and then plug this into the speaker port, and then this one into the microphone port. And then you're able to listen to music, but also talk to people or play games. So it's nice that it comes with this splitter cable and makes everything much more convenient. The headset also comes with this microphone that you can simply connect to the headset. All you do is attach it to the bottom of one of the left side, and then you're good to go. There isn't a whole lot of functionality with this. You just talk into it, and that's about it. You can mute it with a button on the bottom of the headset, and you can change the master volume on that side as well. From my experience, the microphone quality with this headset is pretty good. Let's go to the mic test. Hey everyone, coming at you with a quick mic review. As you can see, everything sounds decent. It's not too bad. The only issue it has is picking up with some of the puh type sounds. I'll try and avoid saying it too much because it might hurt your ears if you're watching this right now. But that's pretty standard for most microphones, so I wouldn't worry about that too much. That's just hard for most microphones to pick up without blowing your ears off. So that does it for the microphone. It's pretty good. Back to the video. I guess if you're watching this video, chances are you're wondering if they're good for gaming. And after testing them out myself, I have to say they're not bad. The sound quality is decent. The mid-range is a little bit flat, you could say, but the bass is punchy. And even though it's stereo and it plugs in through an auxiliary cable, you still have the left and right function, so you can still sort of get that directionality that you would also get from a higher end headset. There's nothing extra special about them, but for $50, they have decent sound quality. The only thing where it sort of falls is the mid-range is a little flat, but I mean, come on, it's $50. Out of any other headset I've seen at this price range, like these perform way better. Is the sound quality amazing? I wouldn't say it's amazing, but it's good for the price. I feel like I'm going to keep circling back to that. It's good for the price. And I might sound like a broken record, but you have to keep in mind these are under $50. Most of the time, $50 headsets are just absolute junk. And these are above that bar for sure. So I'm sure you're wondering how the build quality of the headset is. The metal construction of the headset is very nice, especially for one at this price. I think that's like the 5th time I've said that. Anyways, usually you expect an all plastic build, but this actually has a metal bar that goes across the top. And then there's a suspension, one size fits all sort of band here so that you can just slap it on, no need to adjust anything. And I really like that it's really convenient like that. I will say the ear pads feel like a little bit thinner than I would like and sort of cheap. I really like that my ears fit totally inside of these. I'm not a fan of the type that rest right on your ears. I like the ones where my ears are totally inside the ear pads. That really helps without picking up sounds around you when you're gaming, which I really like. I will say the suspension design is a bit polarizing for some. I know a lot of people don't really like this style. I don't mind it. I'm not a huge fan of it. I just think it makes the headset a little bit on the bulky side of things. So comfort-wise, these are pretty comfortable. As I said before, just plop them on your head and then they're there and you're good to go. I do have an issue sometimes where if I rest it on my head, the band at the top will sink too far, and basically I'll have to take it off my head and sort of readjust it like this, just to sort of get it back in place. And I guess that's one of the few drawbacks of not having the adjustments that you can change yourself, is that you're subject to however this headset will try and conform to your head. But if you just reset it, place it where you need it, and then it's fine. I wore the headset while testing the audio for a few hours and it was comfy. There's really nothing too bad to say about it besides that issue where it slinks down a little bit. It comes with a design where you can wear glasses when gaming, and basically that keeps it from adding pressure to the glasses, so it makes it more of a comfortable and enjoyable experience if you're gaming with glasses on. I still felt that it put a little bit of pressure on them, but I mean, this isn't a perfect fix, it just makes it more comfortable. I would say the weakest point of the entire headset is probably the style. Although I really like the gray and black aesthetic to it, I have found that the size of it and how bulky it is really look kind of goofy. I mean, different people like different styles, of course, but I feel like this is a little bit too much on the super bulky end, whereas I prefer something that's a bit tighter to the head. These sort of remind me of something a fighter pilot would wear, like right before they're about to go on a mission. As far as the technical specs go, you have the 50mm neodymium drivers. Basically, that's pretty standard for a headset at this price range, and it's just standard across all headsets, really. From my experience, the drivers perform fine, and they pick up a measured frequency anywhere between 20 and 20,000 hertz. So anything above 20k hertz, you won't be able to pick up with the headset, but I found that range satisfies most sounds pretty well. And that's a very normal range for this style of headset. So I guess the question is, should you pick up one of these headsets? And I have to say, I think if you're on a budget and you're looking to get a durable feeling headset, like, you can't really miss out on this one. It's made of metal, the sound quality is decent, and I think it offers a lot of value and is a good price range for what it offers. Out of the entire Roccat Elo headset lineup, I think these have the best value prop to anyone looking to buy. Well, that was my review of the headsets. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a headset on a budget. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to answer it. And, thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Bye.